Good afternoon. I would like to request an extra pillow, please.
Of course, the housekeeper will send you up right away. Can I get your room number, ma'am?
Room 101.
Is there anything else you need, ma'am?
That's all. Thank you.
Housekeeping! Here is your extra pillow, ma'am.
Thank you. Good afternoon. I would like to check out.
May I know your last name?
Morales.
Good afternoon, Miss Morales. How was your stay?
It was great.
Wonderful. May I have your key card?
Here you go.
Thank you. Total comes out with the 1,200. Would you like to pay in cash?
Yes.
Thank you, Miss Morales. Where's your receipt? Thank you for choosing Snacks Hotel. There's a policeman to help you secure your luggage. We hope to see you again.
Good evening, Miss Bello. I'm here to conduct a night audit. Can I get the guest folio?
Here is Miss Owano. Miss Morales will check out tomorrow. And we have 20 guests that will arrive tomorrow. And also, as 2 VIP, we have Miss Roy and Miss Pirales.
That's good. Can I get the guest folio of Miss Morales to review all the post and entry, please?
Here, ma'am. Miss Morales arrived last January 14, 2025. She availed a single room for 2 days and 1 night, which cost 1,200.
That's good. Does he have any request or anything to arrive?
That's good. Does she have any requests or anything to avail our other services?
Yes, Miss Uwano. She only availed a room service for 1 day, which costs 40,000 pesos. A bottle of wine, anything will do, which costs 2,000 pesos.
Based on your post, Miss Morales arrived last January 14, 2024 at 2 p.m. She availed single room that cost 1,200 per night. How many reservations are guaranteed?
The 50 guests, half of them guaranteed and 25 of them are paid. That full amount are checked in time.
That's good. Does anything guest complain?
Three, go.
Mr. Lansang complained that his room is not working.
Did you solve it?
Yes, ma'am, I already asked our service technical to fix the heater. I also called the guest and he thinks as the immediate action.
Miss Bello, are you sure that the only wrong in your posting here? Next time, double check the information before posting.
Yes, Miss Uwano.
How much cash we have in our cash box?
We have a total amount of 25,000 in our cash box and 30,000 cash as partial payment couple of Mr. Cruz and Miss Morales.
Go.
Sige.
Go.
It's correct. We have 25,000 in our cash box and a check worth of 3,000. May I ask who are in charge in the next shift?
It's Miss Pirales, ma'am.
Okay, Miss Bello, kindly make a summary in all the reports and give it to the next receptionist. After your shift, see to it to review the entries before posting. Remember to remind her to special. Wisit, wala di maklaro.
Go.
Okay, Miss Bello, kindly make a summary in all the reports and give it to the next receptionist. After your shift, see to it to review all the entries before posting. Remember and remind her to the special service at any.
Okay, Miss Juana, I will inform Miss Pirales and discuss to hear everything to avoid
Discrepancies.
Go.
Okay, Miss Bello, kindly make a summary in all reports and give it to the next receptionist. And after your shift, see to it to review all the entries before posting. Remember to remind her to the special service if any.
Okay, Miss Uwano, I will inform the Miss Pirales and discuss to hear everything to avoid discrepancies. I'll give her all the reports.
Okay, Miss Bello, make sure all the informations are correct.
Go.
Yes, Miss Uwano, I will.
That's a quite a night. Thank you for tonight and thank you for your hard work.
You're welcome, Miss Uwano.
Sige na, tama na na. Okay na?
Di, na, pana naman.
Stop rin ako.
Ayaw niya na. Sa total na lang. Jump down sana.
Kuha nila. Gusto ko to? Night audit. Night audit.
Sabi ako sa ito.